Adventure Lifestyle JA YouTube channel. And today in this video I am just going to take a tour with you all on my farm. I'm going to show you the life I have behind TikTok. So I am not just a TikToker, I do have a life behind. Alright, so come along with me. Alright guys, so this our fowl cub. My mommy used to raise fowl, but she have other work now, so therefore she give in to this job because it really stressful, but I promise me I go take up the responsibility there. So couple months time or so, I plan to buy some chicken and raise. Alright, so no chicken in there right now, but I go give you a little tour in it when me finish feed the animal them. So for now, we just go in there now, go take up one bag feed to go feed the cow them. Alright? Alright guys, so this are the bag feed what we use and feed the cow them. So right now them have grass, but I don't know you have to keep on feed them on the bag feed so them can get used to it. So this are the big grain cattle bag feed. Alright, so we just go carry like half a bucket go down there. We have 10 cow down there, so we just go carry like one half a bucket car. Them not gonna need much car, then go start pick around grass and stuff like that. Alright guys, so this is what the feed look like. For all who want to see what it look like, this is it. So I'm gonna give them this with molasses. So after them eat this and drink the molasses, them gonna drink whole heap of water. So you know the cow them go stay fat and shine. Alright, so now what time for we walk go down there, which part the cow them there. So let's go. Alright guys, so this are two 1,000 gallon tanks. Right, two 1,000 gallon tanks, and this I wish part me transport the water from for give the cow them. So if you realize there is a green hose, we join two of them to reach down at the pen. We join two of them, so which part you see the blue barrel down there, so we are go. That is the entrance to the cow pen. So that is where we are going now. So the green hose, it travel from the pipe, go straight down at the pen. So right now I go turn on the pipe cause them want water now, so I go turn it on. Alright, so the pipe on now, so therefore the water is running, so let's move. So this is the little entrance area. Alright guys, so at them food time. Hey, up. Alright, so this are the container me feed them and I see the black one them are coming for feed food now. So this are the container where we feed them in molasses in the back there over there. So show no. Alright guys, so this is the blue cut off barrel where we give them the water and we have more containers around the pen which part we give them water so if you realize see the green hose reach way down here so water run. So water run on everything. And no dirt in the container, so if you all are thinking it's dirt, it's not dirt. Because after them drink them molasses and stuff like that, them just head straight to over here so if drink them water. And as me say, more container they around the pen, so and not just the small container here, them drink them water out. Alright, so just place the hose in it and make it full. We have water over here so too. So sometime we just leave the hose on and full up this over here so and they must search for them food. So let's talk in from him. I'm gonna lose the other one them. Guys, so right now I'm gonna give them the molasses and they love the molasses and mix it with the feed for them. Alright, so now I come and mix the molasses now. Now go throw the bag feed give them. Alright. Guys, so that is the process that I'm like a morning routine to them whenever I give them the feed. Otherwise, if I not give them no feed, I just come and check on them at morning time. So we're not gonna get enough more video. I tell you now, I go just give you a tour to how in the chicken coop look after mommy give in to that work what she did I do with them. Alright, so let's go. Alright, so this is how we look. This is the area which part the fowl them would normally go and lay. Alright. So what would I do? Would I put sawdust on the ground so you know so when them have the egg, it don't drop on the tough surface and crack. Right? So what me I plan for do? Me I plan for raise it up off of the ground and put it up on the side, because you know the fowl them love the heights. Alright, and it need some work. It need a whole heap of work on. And then this right here, this container right here, this our them get them water from. So as we move forward, you all will know the names of every single thing that I will be using. Alright, so alright guys, so as we come to the ending of my first farm tour video, I hope you did enjoy yourself. Alright, because we have lots more in store for you now. Yeah man, I have a whole lot more videos in store for you know. I'm going to see some amazing things. Amazing things. So welcome to all the newcomers to Ken Adventure Lifestyle JA YouTube channel. Please remember to subscribe. Please remember to like, leave your comments, give us ideas as to what you all want us to do, and enjoy. Alright, big up on yourself.